I'm just doing a little recording with the hood exit, but because of law enforcement, you know, can't be on your phone. So I don't have a mount right now because the mount I had that came with this car was already messed up from the previous owner. So I got to get a new car mount. I haven't made a video in a while. I've been super busy, guys. I need to try to make videos every week, at least once a week or twice. But yeah, it's very filthy, as you can tell. All I do is work. I redid the hood exit so that it wasn't as high because I got a fine for it. Got followed into my own driveway after I was already parked. But anyways, it was like almost $160 fine for having a hood exit exhaust. So around your area, just make sure you're all right for it. Or if you don't care, then you can just pay for it and not give a you know what. So hope you guys can hear the blow off too. It's straight turbo noise. What I mean by that is there's no blow off, and there's no intake pipe, and there's no intake filter. It's straight out the turbo, just all turbo noise. That one you should have been able to hear a lot better. I know I threw in a couple of two-steps video before. Obviously it's not tuned, it's still stock. The only thing I have done to it is no intake, so straight turbo noise, a hood exit straight pipe, and then no cat or nothing, and upgraded Iridium spark plugs. So, which some people say they don't do anything, but that's not true. Everything that you add to your vehicle does something, especially if it's performance wise. Everything helps increase things. So, and of course it being a manual, not a manual. I don't drive and drive because it's funny. It acts funny. I'll be going 20 miles an hour through town and drive when I first got it, and it would be in 4th gear. So I don't do that anymore. I only use the manual, and it's a 5-speed automatic. So yeah, I'm just trying to watch out for cops because they will pull you over for your phone, and I don't use my phone unless I'm doing recording. I don't do the whole texting and driving, and I don't do try not to do the calls or anything, and try to pay attention, and I don't want a ticket for it. So hopefully you guys, I'm sure you guys can hear it, but obviously it's always different in person hearing it than it is over the video, especially when it's in here. Now, once I can eventually get a GoPro, then I can try to mount something up front, you know, or maybe inside just for the turbo spool. But yeah, maybe tonight I'll give you guys a 2-step video, like a little short. Because like I said, I made it a lot smaller of piping. Before it was, I think, 2 3/4. Or maybe, actually no, I think I did have a 3-inch on it. I had a 3-inch up pipe going up that I had modified and pie weld cutted and to make it route out the hood. And then I had a 5-inch muffler tip that you put on a truck that I put on it, as you saw from that one video where I was shooting blue flames on the highway, and that one short, it was on there. So right now there's nothing. Once I pull in, I'll show it to you guys. My welds aren't perfect, but they get the job done. That's all I care about right now. Never go wrong with ice caramel craze latte. It's the best. I wish they had Starbucks near me, but they don't. The closest Starbucks is like 30-minute or 25-minute drive. Nothing crazy, but I mean, it's still something. About to finish my wife's exhaust on the Honda. I need the air tool and the air compressor. So this is her, very small, as you can see. Eventually I'm going to pretty this up, but I'm in a carbon fiber hood anyways. So yeah. Alright, this is the longest video I've did in a while. It's about 6 minutes, so I'm gonna end it here, and then I'll try to make a short for you guys later with the two-step, just to see how it sounds with the smaller piping. So you guys have a good rest of the Memorial Day weekend. Don't get too drunk and crazy, and if you do, just do it at home, or don't drive. So or walk if you have to, whatever you gotta do. So be safe, and I'll upload another video soon. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.